What is one non-negotiable जब आप हायर करते हो किसी को?
Low energy.
You said that.
Yeah.
You need high energy people.
High energy people.
Okay. और जब आप किसी को हायर करते हो तो उनका इंटरव्यू लेते हो, तो हाउ डू यू स्पॉट दैट कि यार इसमें वो स्पार्क है, he could be or she could be a future leader?
See, there's always a risk factor involved
Mm-hmm.
because people prep up for their interviews a lot
Yeah.
and come. On the day of the interview, you will see energy and you will see zeal. But as soon as they are hired, things do change.
Yeah.
So, there's always a risk factor involved everywhere.
What is your mental checklist? जिससे पहले कि आप किसी एक नए आइडिया को हाँ बोलते हो, उससे पहले.
Mental checklist. Whether there's main answers, whether there's a gap in the market. Is that just an idea? Ki for just because you like that idea so much, or is there actually a gap in the market for that? That is something very important to do a reality check.
Okay.
कि कुछ भी आप pursue कर रहे हो, आप उसके ऊपर में research तो करना ही चाहिए.
You read?
I do.
Okay. What one book you think that really impacted you?
One book that really impacted me as a child was Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Okay.
Yeah. And it really spoke about, it had a lot to do with entrepreneurship. How thinking is very important. How you got to think big. There are certain way of doing everything. But, rich dad would do it in a certain manner. Poor dad would do it in a certain manner. So that book did play a lot of games in my mind throughout.
It plays with your mindset.
Yeah.
ये mindset, इनका ऐसा mindset होता है, इनका ऐसा mindset होता है. है ना? So coming to a similar topic like this one, अगर if you have a 10 CR का company, if you have a 100 CR का company, दोनों के mindset में क्या difference होता है?
See, both businesses are successful. Okay. It has to be profitable.
Yeah.
आज आप खाली 100 CR का number achieve करने का try कर रहे हो. There's always a top line, bottom line. End of the day, top line से ज़्यादा important होता है bottom line. सबसे important है bottom line क्या रहा. तो आपको top line से ज़्यादा हो सकता है कि ये 10 CR company का bottom line is much higher than a 100 CR company.
Yeah.
So it is more about the bottom line.
No, I'm asking कि when you are आप एक next level पर reach कर जाते हो and someone is still at this level, दोनों के mindset में क्या फ़र्क होता है?
Mindset में ये फ़र्क होता है कि वो 10 CR वाला सोच रहा है कि मैं 100 CR पहुँचूँ और 100 CR वाला सोच रहा है कि मैं 1000 CR पहुँचूँ.
Okay. Any business advice that आपने ignore कर दिया एकदम, किसी ने आपको दिया?
There are many. Maybe the visions didn't align. So it's possible.
तो should we take advice, मतलब advice लेने का भी कोई ये होना चाहिए कि हर किसी से मत.
आप advice सबसे लो, but करो अपने मन की. आप सबकी सुनो.
Yeah.
और सब कोई ना कोई plan लेकर के ही आता है आपके पास में.
Okay. What is one habit जो entrepreneurs को build करनी चाहिए?
Waking up early.
Waking up early?
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Keeps you fresh.
Okay.
And your mind is much more sharper. If you get good 8 hours of sleep,
yeah,
that means you go to bed by 10:30, 11 and then wake up accordingly.
Right.
10:30, 11 on today's day and age is very difficult. I mean, there are times when we go to sleep at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. also. But obviously those days we don't wake up on time the next morning. But I've done a little secret for myself, what I've done, because now I started dropping my son to school.
Okay.
In the morning.
Okay.
So I'm compelled to wake up. And that little time that I get with him in the morning, his mind is also super fresh early in the morning. So it's the best time I can actually spend with my son is the morning drive to his school.
That's a nice trick. I hope a lot of people watches it and maybe use it in their life. Early morning or late nights? When do you get the best ideas?
See, ideas are floating all day long, but my mind is sharpest in the morning.
Okay. कोई 3 ऐसे वर्ड्स जो एक ग्रेट फाउंडर को डिफाइन करते हैं.
Build, dream, and passion.
That summarizes it pretty well. Okay, last question, Nishit. Walk us through your day.
So, as I told you, I start my day with my son, dropping him to school. Then I come back, go to the gym, and then after I drop him straight away to the gym from there. Then back home, quick breakfast, and out for work. And then I'm depending on the day schedule, either I'm at Somersault or at my office, handling fruiters and Somersault majorly, and then back by 7:30, 8, depending on the day, or sometimes later, sometimes earlier. And then again, as much family time I can give, I'm the happiest.
Awesome, Nishit. It was amazing talking to you. Thank you so much for the great insights.
Thank you very, very much as well.